Worst rated salon
Hey.
in Vista.
No.
I went to the worst rated salon.
And it looks terrible at the moment.
Hey
What is
guys!
up, everyone?
How you doing?
Welcome back to the vlog channel. Today, you're joined, I just poked you. We are joined in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And what are we doing?
Well, as always, I feel like I always say it's a really nice day, but it is a really nice day.
Yeah, it actually is, yeah, today
We
it
just
is.
vlog on really nice days. We're going to paint our garage, and we're going to paint our garage door black.
Bit bold, but we've been going on like our one daily walk, and we've been going around our neighbourhood, and other houses that are like the same colour brick as ours have black garages, and we were like, oh my god, that looks really nice.
And it looks good, so we thought, oh, well, maybe that'll look good on our house.
Yeah.
The only trouble is, the only time we've painted things black, it always looks bad. Like, it looks rubbish.
I know, do you know what? We always look at like Pinterest for ideas, and then we see like this black door in the house, and we're like, oh my god, this is gonna look good, and then we paint it, and it looks like
we do have a black
bad.
door that looks good now, though.
Oh yeah.
So we have painted one thing black that looks good.
Okay, yeah, maybe this will go well then.
But before that, everything we painted was rubbish.
Yeah, it was
We painted
bad.
our banister, our old house black, and it looked terrible.
Yeah, but luckily we've already got black paint because we were going to paint something else black, so we've got 2 tins. Hopefully this will be enough.
We went for a satin because I didn't want like too much of a glossy look to the garage door. I kind of wanted it to be a bit more flat. No primer needed.
So should be alright. We haven't got primer.
Didn't
so
get
that's
primer
good.
anyway. I hope it's one coat because we don't have a lot of this, and it's a small tin.
Yeah, it is small. So we could be stuffed. We could have like one garage door painted and then the other will just be white.
That would suck. And it also says you can apply it directly to rust.
Also, in today's vlog, I'm going to be cutting Matt's hair. How do you feel about that?
I don't know.
How do you feel about that?
I think that we should not do that, and we should make a Wagamama's vegan chicken katsu curry instead.
Well, we can do that as well as cut your hair. I mean, it's getting so long.
No.
I cut my dad's hair actually, but my dad's hair is a lot shorter. I've never cut like long hair like this on the top. I think I'll be alright.
Alright, well, we'll see. We should make a chicken katsu curry still anyway.
Oh my god, yeah, we're gonna follow the Wagamama's recipe.
Yeah, well, we've been doing loads of Wagamama's recipes recently.
It's so good. But for lunch, I'm just gonna have this. This is a vegetable katsu rice noodle. This is actually vegan as well. We never knew this, but I love anything katsu flavour.
I haven't had this before. Should we take it outside?
Yeah, let's take it outside. I'm running out of arms, so I'm taking this and a drink. So this is our garage door. As you can see, we actually have 2 of them, and Matt's just gonna move his car so that we can like work on it and not paint the actual car.
So we've just given it a scrape to get off any debris. We sanded the whole thing just to sort of give the paint something to grip onto, and
It's our first time painting a garage door, isn't it? Or any metal.
Yeah, and then we just give it a wash to get off any of the like dirt or anything like that. And yeah, now I'm just gonna mask this up and we're ready to start painting, really, aren't we?
Yeah, we're just laying down a tarp on the floor so that we don't get any of the driveway dirty.
And I just finished masking that up, so we won't get any paint on there. Alright, we've got to put some weight on this there, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite windy now.
Alright guys, so the first stroke is going down. It's always really scary, but we're gonna do the insides. Excuse me. We're gonna do the insides first so that we can get a really nice clean like front panel.
Yeah.
Because this paint is quite like thick.
It's quite hard to work with.
Yeah.
I mean, that is just, it is pitch black to be fair.
It is, yeah. Looking good so far.
We could just do a zebra pattern if we want.
Can you imagine? So we've done a bunch more of the lines. I mean, it's taken a hot minute. It's taken a while, but...
It is long, and it looks terrible at the moment.
At the moment it does, but Matt's just gonna roll the actual front panels of them just on this side, and then we'll see how it looks.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, so a few hours later and we have finally finished.
Well, we haven't finished yet. We've done the doors, and we're kind of deciding what to do, whether to paint the frames black as well, or leave them as white.
I mean, we kind of think the white would look good because if you look at the windows, it'll kind of like go together because there's a white border on the window and a white border on this. But then we did like this thing and we looked at just the black and it looked pretty good, so.
Well, yeah, like if you come over here, if you look at it from over here, and like you just look at that bit without the white border, I think that looks better.
I think so too.
Yeah, that's how it's looking. It looks good, doesn't it?
It took a long time, but we're finally finished.
I'm not worried.
Almost.
I'm like not worried at all anymore because
No.
this looks a lot better than I thought it would.
Yeah, I really like it.
But so what we're doing? We're going to paint the frames.
I think so. Which is
Okay.
even more work, but it's got to be done.
All right, let's paint the frames then.
So we're just painting the sort of like edges and the frame of the garage. It's really difficult because we're trying to not get it on the brick, obviously.
Yeah, I got it on the brick a little bit already over this side. Just got it on the brick there. Well, we've gotten as far as we've gotten ready because this paint is a bit awkward. Like when you do a coat, you can't paint a second coat until the first one's completely bone dry.
Yeah, or else it
Otherwise-
like pulls it off and it like bunches up and it's just not nice.
Goes all mushy. So we couldn't actually get in there and do those bits because...
This door doesn't actually open. It's a dummy door.
Yeah, exactly. So we can't really paint it there because then we'd get it on the bit we've already done and it would ruin that. So we're going to continue that tomorrow.
Alright guys, it's now the next day and as you can see, the garage is finally finished.
Yeah, it didn't take much longer to do really, did it?
No, not too long. I mean, I went around the edges and stuff and yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, you did that last bit by yourself whilst I did a fence post, but should we have a close look?
Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Obviously, we still have like the white silicone around the edges, which doesn't look great, but we're gonna fill it up with some black one instead. And yeah, we haven't got we haven't got too many drips or anything, so that's good.
Yeah, the door handle doesn't look too bad where we masked that up.
They definitely look a lot better than they did when they were white and rusty. They look like brand new, to be honest.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like you don't need new garage doors. You just give them a lick of paint. And what should we do with these? What do you think?
I mean, I've never sprayed anything that's supposed to be like outside in the rain, so I don't really know what the best way to go about it is.
Well, I thought we would just paint them with the same paint we used on the garage.
Yeah, but then you might get like brush marks.
Well, we didn't get any brush marks with this.
Yeah, maybe.
So I don't know.
We'll see.
Let us know what you think. Should we paint those black as well? I think they'll match in quite nicely.
Yeah. Alright guys, so welcome to my salon.
Oh god.
It's that time of the day.
I'm so not looking forward to this.
I've got to cut his hair. It's getting really long. Show them at the back. Or show them at the side. He gets this like little rat tail at the back. And yeah, I think it's time to get a haircut. And since you can't get it done.
See, I'm more than happy to get the sides done.
Yeah.
I just don't know if you know what you're doing on top.
Well, I think I'll figure it out as I go. Which one do you usually get?
I get a 1.
A 1?
Yeah.
Straight in?
Well, a 1 at the bottom.
This is actually quite nerve-wracking for me because I know you're gonna hate me if I screw it up.
I got my mirror.
Goes well. Okay, so how high do they go?
I don't know.
I'm literally only trimming it a little bit. Okay, so I've kind of like shortened it all around in the bag. I haven't touched the top yet because I'm too scared, but I'm gonna use the grade 2, right?
Yeah, I need a grade 1, but you've just gone from a 3 to a 2, and then we're doing a 1 after?
Yeah, I'm scared to go straight in with a 1, so I'm just doing it bit by bit.
Alright, let's see.
So you start from there, up to there, roughly?
I don't know.
Oh, that's very reassuring. Matt's decided to take over and do the sides.
I don't know.
He doesn't think it's short enough, but I'm too scared to go too short.
Oh, this is painful.
Is it?
Yeah, it does hurt.
Oh, I'm really scared of what you've done. I can just see it in the sun. What have you done? Leslie? Oh my god. What have you done?
I don't know.
Sweetheart, look at that. I mean, I can fade it, but that looks bad right now.
Okay.
At least that can't be on me, because you did that yourself.
Look, yeah, but look, that is how it looks at the head.
Okay.
So. Alright, we'll start there then, where I've got my line, and blend that a little bit.
I don't know, the hair is just so like... Why is it like that?
I don't know.
I think they... Alright, so this is where we're at now. I kind of took some length off around the back. Do you want to show them the back real quick? Hang on. Just like at the hairdressers. And now I'm going to try and cut some with scissors, which I haven't done.
Worst rated salon.
Hey.
in Vista.
No.
I went to the worst rated salon.
No. Alright, so I think I'm finished and it doesn't look too bad. I've kind of fixed all of the areas where I wasn't happy with, but I didn't really go on the top too much because I was too scared.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad you didn't, to be fair.
Yeah.
But it's not, yeah.
I think it looks nice anyway. Once you style the top, it won't look like it's too long.
I have to say, I won't be coming back. I will not be coming back.
To be fair, I'm actually glad because this was like so stressful.
Just, you know, the customer service is a little... I'm kidding. No, it's fine. It's just, it takes, obviously it takes quite a long time.
Yeah, especially when you're not a pro. Like
Yeah.
it takes like actual barbers like 5 minutes probably.
It looks fine. Let's see what you can do with the
Alright, I'm gonna style it. Are you guys ready to see?
Alright, spin me around.
Oh, it doesn't spin. We should have invested in a spinning chair. There you go. Ta-da!
I don't know.
I think it looks good. I mean, obviously the top is exactly the same length pretty much.
Yeah.
The sides, I mean, I've managed to get it pretty good. I'm still not happy about the back.
Yeah.
It's still kind of like
I mean,
two-tone.
I thought this was going to be a massive fail, but I'm actually happy with it.
Yeah, I mean, for now.
I mean, it is obviously still like long on top, and it's going to get way too long.
Yeah.
But I don't really care.
But for now, it's as good as it's going to get, really, because you can't go to the barbers for a long time.
Yeah, but no, I think you did a good job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I mean, it took probably about 2 hours in total.
Yeah, it did
Maybe
take a
an
while.
hour.
Can we now please make our Wagamamas?
Yes, I'm so
right.
hungry.
You guys can make some Wagamamas with us then.
Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we have all of our ingredients for the homemade Wagamamas. I'm so excited to make this.
So, what are we making? We're making a vegan katsu curry.
Yep.
Bang bang cauliflower.
And wok fried greens. And for the vegan katsu curry, we've got this from Waitrose, and it's basically a vegan chicken in like a battered sort of coat.
This is amazing.
So nice.
We only discovered it recently, and like, honestly, it's one of the best chickens we've ever had.
Yeah. And we don't usually shop at Waitrose because it is quite expensive, but they do have some amazing vegan options.
We literally only go there because they have a couple of vegan options that are just so good and you can't get anywhere.
Yeah.
But we're not going to be like cooking the whole thing and giving you guys a recipe, because you can just go check that out on Wagamama's Instagram, and they're doing like wok from home. So
that's how we followed the recipe, really.
Yeah, we followed wok from home basically.
Alright, so the broccoli is boiling here. We then got the chicken all ready to go in the oven, and then Matt is crushing up this sauce, which is the katsu curry sauce. We got this from Tesco, and it tastes just like the Wagamama's one, pretty much, doesn't it?
So we're not going to follow their recipe just because we're already making from scratch the wok fried green sauce and the bang bang sauce, so we're just using this and it's really good.
It's really nice. And then the cauliflower is just frying in our air fryer, which I absolutely love. Like, you guys have seen this in my main channel video, and it is just the best. Also, we've got a toilet roll here because we ran out of kitchen roll.
So that's the sauce for the bang bang. This is the one for the wok fried greens. I'm just going to put that in there now with the garlic.
It smells so good already.
You can smell it. I can, you can't.
That's what the chef from Wagamama says in the video.
I love it every time he says that. And then we got the onions. I'm just going to put the cauliflower in there now.
Oh, that sauce is delicious. Oh my god. And the cauliflower has just gone in. We're just going to fry that for a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, it's already cooked. I've just put it in the frying pan to mix it with the sauce, really.
Alright, so Matt is just serving up. Oh my god, that looks delicious. Look at that katsu sauce. We've got the wok fried greens, and we've got the bang bang cauliflower. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It looks delicious.
Looks so good.
It looks just like Wagga's, almost.
Almost. It tastes close enough. See what this is like.
Okay. Oh, the sauce smells so good.
It's going to be hot. We forgot the salad.
That
oh my
chicken
god.
is, oh my god, that chicken is so good.
It is the best. You need to get that chicken. And the katsu sauce is good too.
So
this
good.
is just like, oh, this is how we're getting our Wagamama fix now.
I know. This is like, we still love Wagamamas, but
I think
our fix has been
the only
like
thing
cured.
we now love as much as Wagamama's is, what's his name? Steve?
Steve. The chef.
The chef.
Yeah, the chef.
I can't remember his name.
I think it's Steve.
But we're very grateful to him.
Oh
this.
yeah, he's changed our world right now.
He really has.
Because we tried so many times to try and make this like just based on what we think is inside, the sauces and stuff.
And we never got it like spot on.
No.
But now we are going to show our gratitude.
Oh yeah.
When Wagamama's is open, we will be right back.
Oh, definitely. Alright guys, so we've had our food and we're probably going to finish the vlog here.
Yeah, but before we do, let's just have a little look at the sky, as we haven't seen her in this vlog.
Look at her. She's just laying on this poof right in the sun, and she's been looking at a pigeon on the roof.
Yeah. You got anything to say? Yeah,
Aww.
okay, sounds about right.
Baby, she's so cute. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and just seeing what we're getting up to during lockdown.
Yeah, we're just trying to keep busy really, aren't we?
Yeah. Hope you guys are all well, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye.